Welcome to Mark Jacobson's Dream Machines. My name is Jim. We're located here in Durham, North Carolina. This is Mark Jacobson's personal car collection. I'm one of the few members on the team, and what we do here is take care of Mark's personal collection. He gets these cars from all over the country, different auctions. Sometimes people come in locally off the street. So what we do is restoration, we do detail work, mechanical work, everything from just a simple tune-up to pulling out the entire interior, redoing the interior, pulling the engine out, repainting everything, rebuilding it like it was new. We try to keep everything original as if it was when these cars rolled off the line 50, 60 years ago. We'll also be doing ride-alongs, how-to videos, current projects we're working on. So we'll be on social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, so be sure to check us out. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy, and there'll be more to come.